excited because this morning, we're headed to Ocean View Garden Center. It's the official kickoff of our big balcony project.
Hopefully I get at least one plant that I like a banana tree. Ocean View Garden Center is in Chester. We're on the way there right now. We should be getting there in about 15 minutes.
Tastes like licorice. Now we're going to do mojito mints. So, Brent, now we're in your section. Mojito mint.
And this needs a pot all of its own.
Okay. Where are you going?
Taking this out, packing it in, pack it up, pack it in.
Tear these apart.
Okay.
And believe it or not, there's only going to be one plant go in the center of this because this gets like, it doesn't get big this way, but it's going to be nice and rounded like this, and it's going to hang down, and your fruit is going to kind of be underneath. And by plants being planted in this type of container, it forces you to rip the roots, which is perfect for the plant.
Okay.
So I'm going to remove all these right up to here.
Okay.
And I'm going to dig way down in the center of the pot and plant the tomato right down here in the center.
Wow.
Just like that.
Oh, he's so cute.
And you just let them grow. Water them and feed them, of course, but and it's as simple as that.
Dropping. We're building a planter box.
Oh, nice.
Planter box. This is Sarah's idea in her head. That's in her head.
And then somebody else has to
We're trying to. We're trying to get out.
Really good.
Right now, we're figuring out the angles. We're drawing. Steve's got a diagram similar to the one you've drew, so it's.
But not as good, obviously.
Scale.
To scale.
We're trying to get a scale drawing to give us a sense
I'm
of
sure
what it
yours
is.
was to scale, wasn't it, Sarah?
It sure was.
No, I heard that.
Yeah.
So, how's it going?
It's going very
awesome.
good.
Oh, very,
I
very
couldn't have
well.
been
Could you
more
tell me
pleased.
the update?
Everything is going well. We got the box built. We're putting the legs together. There has been at least one spilled beer over this.
What's this?
This right here is a wedge that's going to hold it in
I only
place.
had another beer because mine's.
Because my math was bad?
Well, your blueprint wasn't to scale.
How long did it take you guys to build this?
We're not finished yet, so we don't know.
Well, right now we're on the clock. 83 minutes. Oh, it's probably longer.
I think it's
Do you
awesome.
have any recommendations for people trying this project on their own?
See if they can buy it.
Your face
So what we did was we just assembled the planter box that we built. We put the legs on it. We have to level it up a little bit just because some of the concrete is a little bit uneven where we're putting it. But it looks pretty good. We're going to fill it with soil, throw some plants in it now, and kind of hopefully get this whole balcony organized tonight.